So children, as for now, when you are familiar with the concept of successor and predecessor, now let's find out the successor and predecessor for some bigger numbers. Okay, so tell me the predecessor of 7,01,515. So how you will find it out? Either you can do it orally or you can simply subtract 1. So what we will do here? We will simply subtract 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. Then comes 1 since we have no number below it, and similarly it goes for the other digits also. So we will just copy down as it is. So the predecessor for 7,01,515 is 7,01,514. Now let's find out for some more numbers. So what will be the predecessor of, say, 20 lakhs? Again, what you have to do is you have to simply subtract 1. Now you cannot subtract 1 from 0. So what do we need to do? We need to do borrowing. So we will cut 2, make it 1. This becomes 10. Now again we need to borrow. So 10 becomes 9 and again it becomes 10. Again 10 becomes 9 and this is 10. Again 10 becomes 9 and this is 10. Again 10 becomes 9, 10. 10 becomes 9 and this is 10. Now here we don't need to give 1 to any other number. So we don't need to cut and write 9. It will remain 10 here. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Now we have no other number below this number. So we will simply copy down the remaining numbers as it is. So the predecessor of 20 lakh is 19,009. The predecessor of 20 lakh is 19,99,999. Similarly, you can find it for other numbers also. So what is the predecessor of 36,29,440? Again, you just have to subtract 1. You cannot subtract 1 from 0. Again, we need to borrow. But here we can borrow from 4. So cut 4, make it 3 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 3, 4, 9, 2, 6 and 3. So the predecessor of 36,29,440 is 36,29,439. The way we have subtracted, similarly you can do it orally also. Suppose I have to write down the predecessor of 5,37,812. So we know that before 12 it comes 11. So rest of the number will remain the same and we will simply write down 5,37,811. Or you can subtract 1 and you will again get the same number as the answer. If you think that you cannot do it orally, you can subtract 1 and then find out the answer. Now let's do a few questions for successor. So children, if I ask you what is the successor of 16,25,918, what you will do? For finding out the successor, you have to add 1. So here we will add 1. Either you can add 1 or you can do it orally also. We all know that after 18 it comes 19. So we can simply write down 16,25,919, or you can add 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, then 1, then 9, 5, 2, 6, 1. Both the answers are same. Okay. If you have any doubt and you think that you cannot do it orally, then just add 1. Okay. Now if I say find out the successor of 16,39,949. Now children usually think that since here after 8 it comes 9 and after 9 it comes 10. So what they do? We will write down 163994 and after 9 it becomes 10. Most of the students will do it orally like this. But let us see, are we getting the same answer by adding 1? Now let's add 1 here. So it is 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here and 1 carried. 4 plus 1 is 5. Then 9, 9, 3, this 6 and 1. Are both the answers same? Are both the answers same, children? No. You can see that here we are getting 950 and here it is 410. So this one is wrong and this one is correct. Okay, don't do such errors. What the child has done here, that he thinks that after 9 it comes 10. But when 9 is compounded with another number, because 4 and 9 becomes 49. And after 49 in the counting we have 50. It's not 410. 9 cannot be separately written as 10. Because here it has got all other digits along with it. So we will read it as a compound number. It is a bigger number. Let's take one more example. So what will be the successor of 10,29,339? Again, in case of any doubt, simply add 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0, 1 for carried, 3 plus 1 4, then 3, 9, 2, 0 and 1. And the number becomes 10,29,340. So don't do the error of writing down 1, 0, 2, 9, 3, 3 and then 10. Now this 9 cannot be separately written as 10. This is wrong. You cannot do it like this. Okay. You have to read it with 3 and 9. 3 and 9 together are 39 and after 39 we always have 40. So keep these little things in mind while doing successor and predecessor.